Hi guys, Anamika here. So today I'm here to talk about a very interesting topic called the energy of money. So usually when we talk about money, we talk in a very transactional, calculated fashion कि हमारे सेविंग्स में इतने पैसे हैं, हमने इतने इन्वेस्ट किए हैं, ये हमारी नेटवर्थ है, इतने पैसे हमारे हाथ में है, ये कैश है, ये सैलरी है, ये बिल्स है, इतने मिले, इतने आए, इतने गए. Constantly, when it comes to money, this is how the conversation goes. Now, if you look at your own life, how many opportunities did you get in your life all of a sudden? That you got a new job, you met a new person who guided you towards another opportunity, you got help from a complete stranger, काम नहीं बन रहा था, काम बन गया, है ना? ऑफिस में पॉलिटिक्स हो रही थी, बट खत्म हो गई. somehow things got better. कहीं आप चल के जा रहे थे, राइट, एंड देन यू एनकाउंटर्ड somebody who was exactly supposed to be there, है ना? एक स्ट्रेंजर के मुंह से कोई ऐसी बात सुनी विच क्लिक्ड टू यू दैट ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज माय आंसर एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सपोज टू डू. गिफ्ट्स मिल गए, जेस्चर्स मिल गए, कभी आते जाते लाइफ में अच्छे एक्ट्स, काइंड एक्ट्स मिल गए, काइंड लोग मिल गए, काम बन गया, है ना? किसी ने कोई चीज़ जिसकी बिल्कुल ज़रूरत थी वो दे दी, right? And myriads of such incidents in our lives. Is that not money? अगर थोड़ी देर के लिए प्रैक्टिकली भी सोचा जाए तो क्या उसकी मॉनेटरी वैल्यू निकाली जा सकती है? क्या इस चीज़ की वैल्यू निकाली जा सकती है कि अगर ये काम मुझे कराना होता तो इसके कितने पैसे लगते? राइट, बट हमने कभी इस डायरेक्शन में सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे हिसाब से हमारी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है अबाउट मनी, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी लिमिटेड, कि दिस इज़ व्हाट मनी इज़. बट मनी इज़ more than what lies in your bank account, more than what you have in your hand. बिल्स कितने हैं और सैलरी कितनी है, आया गया. मनी इज मच मच मोर देन दैट. इट इज एनर्जी. जैसे कि आपकी खुद की कॉन्शियसनेस है, द सेम वे मनी इज अ consciousness to which you can talk to which you can relate with, to which you have a relationship with. Now, ये देखने की ज़रूरत है कि योर रिलेशनशिप विद मनी, इज इट fear based, or is it extraction based, or it is something like a friend, right? Something who supports you, somebody who holds you, somebody who is just there when you exactly need it. तो क्या है आपका वो relationship with money, right? And how you look at it as energy. Is that relationship respectful? Is that relationship valuable? Is that relationship loving? Is that relationship healthy in the form of giving and receiving? And the way and from the space from which we relate to money and the energy of money is how it reciprocates to us in our real life. So एग्जाम्पल्स देती हूँ. सो बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, है ना, जिनके पास बहुत सारे पैसे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि दे डोंट हैव मनी एंड दे कांट स्पेंड मनी ऑन समथिंग, बट जैसे ही पैसे खर्चने की बात आती है ना, दे स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी एंशियस अबाउट इट, दे स्टार्ट पैनिकिंग अबाउट इट. उनको बिल्कुल अंदर से वो हिल जाते हैं कि ओ माय गॉड, नाउ आई हैव टू स्पेंड मनी. मनी एंजाइटी. Another kind of people who have a lot of guilt attached to money, that oh my god, I can't spend on myself, I can't do anything about myself, I can't do anything, oh my god, ये तो बहुत ही गलत हो जाएगा, I don't deserve money, I can't deal with money that way, right? Then another kind of people are there who are just in the space of hoarding, कि सब कुछ बचा लेते हैं, खत्म होने वाला है, खत्म होने वाला है, as if this universe, as if this earth is a very scarce place and अभी सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा. तो क्या है, सब कुछ होर्ड करके रख लो. अब ये होर्ड करने के चक्कर में जब हम स्टैग्नेंसी क्रिएट करते हैं, सो अनदर काइंड ऑफ ब्लॉक्स गेट क्रिएटेड, जो कि हमारी हेल्थ को इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं. हमें हमारी लाइफ में इलनेसेस भी आ सकती हैं, फैमिली में इलनेसेस आ सकती हैं. यू कुड गो थ्रू बॉडीली ट्रबल्स, यू कुड गो go through some or the other kind of thing, कुछ ना कुछ life में होता रहेगा. The energy which had the money that had to flow out will flow out anyway, right? But then you keep thinking that अच्छा हुआ यार, देखा मैंने पैसे सेव कर लिए emergency के लिए. So it's like you're always making money for emergencies. ठीक है, लाइफ में ये तो होना ही है. Another belief system that comes. Then another blockage that comes is कि जल्दी जल्दी पैसे को खर्च कर देते हैं, right? तो पैसा रुक ही नहीं रहा है. Another thing is कि पैसे आए और वो पैसे आने से इतना पैनिक हो गया ना, that oh my god मेरे पास कैसे पैसे आ गए, कि हमने जल्दी जल्दी वो खर्च कर दिए. And then we are becoming like very uncomfortable with, oh my god, I can't receive money this way, है ना. Then another kind of money block is कि you know, my worthiness or my value, my entire value is based on how much money I have, right? And no matter how much money you have, your self-worth, because it's not directly proportional or related to the kind of money you have, it's always going to be temporary. That you get some money, you feel temporarily good, you get another pile of money, you feel temporarily good, and back to square one. So many different kind of money blocks. It's not only that, you know, somebody who's not able to attract money is only one kind of block people have. Of course, that is one block, certainly, that you're not able to you know, receive the money. Only receiving ही blocked है, money आ ही नहीं रहा है, and all that. But a lot of different kinds of blocks that exist in the form of money, right? And unless our relationship, first of all, so you see, uh, more than money, it is about how safe we feel with ourselves, right? If we continue to feel unsafe within ourselves, unsafe with money, unsafe in any way with money, our relationship with ourselves will be directly reflecting on the kind of money we attract in our life, the way in which we attract money, the amount of money, and it'll be like a complete reflection and reciprocation of how money is responding back to us, right? तो ये इतना सिंपल नहीं है कि कितने पैसे अकाउंट में है और कितना ये है. हाँ, ऐसा लग सकता है लॉजिकली, रैशनली, बट money, think of money like a consciousness of itself which is responding to you, showing things to you, talking to you. And when I say money energy, I'm talking about a much vast space which is about safety, which is about security, which is about how comfortable you feel, which is about how you deal with receiving and giving in life, how gracefully you give and how gracefully you receive, how happily you give, right? कि आपके हाथ ऐसे बंधे हुए नहीं है कि बाप रे 100 रुपए भी देने की बात आ रही है, बिल्कुल कुड़कुड़ करने बैठ गए, कि बिल्कुल बार्गेनिंग में ही जिंदगी निकल रही है. थोड़े दिन पहले, you know, I was talking to a colleague and I was talking about this guy who earns 2.5 crores per annum, and he was literally for hours bargaining about 2500 bucks. तो मुझे बहुत सैड फील हुआ उसके बारे में कि यार what a, like, क्या मतलब, he is he is making, and it's not a big deal, trust me, it's not a big deal to make a lot of money, but making a lot of money does not mean you are abundant and you are able to sustain and you are able to enjoy and you are able to relish and cherish and be in that abundant space. ऐसा लगता है हमें that, you know, just having a lot of money in the bank account is what abundance means. It's very important, it's super important, nothing wrong with it. You should have a lot of money if you want it, nothing wrong with it, but it's not directly proportional to what abundance or money energy means to you, how you live your life, how you relate with money. और जब तक ये relationship with money is not changed, it's not um, worked upon, whether whatever kind of blocks we have, right, relating to money, whatever kind. So I gave you some examples, there are more examples, and we can always go into the subsets and, you know, subsections of different money blocks people can have. But जब तक ये रिलेशनशिप ठीक नहीं होता ना, हमारा खुद का रिलेशनशिप हमारे साथ, एंड हाउ वी लुक एट मनी, right, and how we relate with it, how we communicate with it, how we reciprocate, how we balance this out, है ना, जब तक ये ठीक नहीं होता तो वो ब्लॉक्स जो है, they will not allow you to receive, they will not allow you to enjoy, relish, cherish, live the way you want to live, right? So it's not just about the amount of money. Money is not just limited to that. The amount of money that you have is a reflection of what kind of relationship you have with money, and then it could be dependent on many different factors in your life. And there could be a case where, maybe you don't have like directly received, manifested like $1 million right away, and yet you feel so happy and so wonderful, and so you are like able to do, you know a lot of things in even, a average amount of money. And I'm not at all saying that having $1 million is wrong. No, not at all. Have $1 million, have $1 billion, nothing wrong with that. But if you continuously keep thinking that that is going to give you happiness and that is going to help you enjoy those $1 million, not the case, right? So happy people are able to manifest $1 million. Unhappy people are also able to manifest the $1 million, but happy people are able to enjoy it better, do something with it, do something really nice with it, and create something beautiful out of it, because they have the power to create something beautiful out of it, whether it is $100,000, whether it is $1 million or $100, whatever. ठीक है? बट अगर आप एक अनहैप्पी इंसान है और आपके पास ना कितने भी $1 million हो, 20 लाख रुपीज और 50 लाख रुपीज, इफ यू आर एन अनहैप्पी पर्सन, इफ यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप विद मनी, आप अगर 5,000 रुपए खर्च करने में आपको दिक्कत है, इफ यू अर्न 50 लाख रुपीज, तो अगर आपके पास 50 लाख से 5 करोड़ भी हो जाएंगे ना 5,000 खर्चने में, तब भी दिक्कत होगी. Health issues, mindset issues, mental health issues, family related troubles, continuously consistently कार्मिक चीजें जो घूम घूम कर आती रहती हैं, है ना? Money is also linked to the kind of karma that we bring, right? And ये सारी चीजें, how we relate to money, now I mean you, is made up of what different things: emotions, mind, energy, nervous system, all of these things, right? So when this thing pertaining to money is restored well, and how you relate to it, money naturally and automatically comes to you and has a healthy relationship back and forth. कोई भी relationship होता है, when we talk about a healthy relationship, क्या होता है, क्या factors होते हैं उसके, वही factors हैं यहाँ पे, है ना? And it's like, there's a saying in Hindi which says कि, पैसा ऐसी चीज है जो people can get out of it out of thin air. It's not literal, right? But when you're tuned in, when you are connected to that energy, when you're so like aligned to that energy कि उससे ना प्रॉब्लम है, उससे ना, उसको ना दूर भगाना है, ना खींच के बहुत पास लाना है, देयर इज अ रिलैक्स स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, है ना? अब उसके लिए यू नीड टू फिगर आउट कि ये जो 4 चीजें मैंने बोली कि माइंड, इमोशंस, एनर्जी एंड नर्वस सिस्टम, ये 4 जगह पे कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं where you need to work upon. When you work upon these things, stabilize these things pertaining to money, your relationship gets better. And another thing, that all of us have a different story, a different lifestyle, a different way. So the container which we have, no two stories are the same, no two containers are the same, right? So having $1 million is a must for happiness, is a conditioning given by the society. Again, not saying don't have the $1 million, but you have to want it, right? And if you have somehow accepted the fact that I'm happy with, whatever I'm making right now, but फिर भी अंदर भी कुछ कुछ चल रहा है ना, बार बार वो सुनामी आती रहती है which tells you that I still don't have enough, I still don't have enough, then again something in you is not settled. आपने intellectually उस चीज को adapt किया है, it has not become a part of your nature, right? So that is a little bit about the energy of money that I wanted to talk about, and some examples of money blocks. If you guys want me to create more videos on this topic, I'd be happy to. My group coaching program for money energy is starting from 24th of May, and it goes on till 31st of May. So if any of you wish to join it, become a part of it, you're most welcome to join. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And I'll see you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.